Hi and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Layla Dalit, and today's video, I'm gonna tell you one of my most best decisions I've ever made, and that is why I stopped wearing makeup. And if you knew me, if 6 months back, you'd know that I would put a full face makeup every single day, regardless of whether I had somewhere to go. But like I'm talking about full smoky eye every single day, even on the days when I didn't even leave the house because I just felt naked. And look at me now, wearing zero makeup, and it has been one of the best decisions of my life. And the reason I did that and how I do that, because I know it's not easy, especially when you have skincare issues and makeup does give you that, cover up. But for me personally, whenever I had makeup on, felt made me feel as if I had a mask on. I didn't really feel fully myself. But first and foremost, I just thought about how time consuming it was because I had to plan everything like an hour. I need to save up an hour at least to do my makeup. That's just the safe amount of time I always reserved, but that's a lot of time considering that I would take it off in the evening, especially if I didn't have anywhere to go. So I'd rather sleep in more and have some more me time instead of doing makeup. So that was the reason why, but also the fact that I started taking care of my skin way more. Once I started taking care of my skin, I just didn't want to cover it up. And nowadays, when I have a pimple coming up, what I do is I just apply this salicylic acid rapid gel, and I love this one in particular because it is see-through, so I can put it on in the morning. It's not white, so I can walk around it. Throughout the day, it kind of heals the pimple or the spot, so that's great because in the evenings I still do like retinol, and I don't want to layer any acids together, so this is a great thing to do. Just do some work during the day, and I think it works wonders. But honestly, it has been the best decision because I feel like myself. I feel free. And I do get ready so much faster. And I can't tell you how much I've missed that. And just not thinking about putting on makeup and having to get ready or plan ahead just gives me so much freedom. But also, I was gonna say something and I forgot. And one very important thing is that I don't think about getting makeup on my clothes, because especially when you put foundation or concealer, it's such a challenge to take things off t-shirts, especially if they're white, and that would annoy me so much. And now I don't even worry about it. I don't even think about it. I think you should take care of your skin more. This is one of my philosophies. Skincare over makeup. Of course, do makeup if you love it, enjoy it, but don't do it for the wrong reasons. Because you feel not good enough, not pretty enough, just allow your skin to breathe. Take care of your skin. Because that's why we do makeup. It's in order to mimic good skin or just this flawless skin. But why should you mimic when you can actually work towards attaining that skin of your dreams, let's say, just by taking care of it? And I think it's so important. And I see this trend actually coming up, and more girls are wearing less makeup. Natural makeup is what's popular nowadays, and I think it's great. We should really work towards it. I think it's something we should embrace. Embrace your natural beauty, embrace your skin, take care of it, love it, and love yourself. And yeah, this was one of the best decisions I have made, and I recommend you try it too, as scary as it is, because trust me, it wasn't easy when you have a habit of doing smoky eyes every single day. And for the first week, perhaps, I felt so weird, so uncomfortable. So that really took me out of my comfort zone. It was a really, really good challenge. And now, I really don't picture myself with makeup anymore. I don't even know the last time I did makeup. All my mascaras are dried up, but honestly, it was worth it. So I hope you find this useful, and I hope you try this one out. Let me know in the comments below whether you prefer full face makeup, natural makeup, or no makeup at all. I'm really curious to know, and love yourself. See you in the next one.